got this little plate on the inside. On the bottom, it's got these little grippers so that you don't have. Let's take a look at this chicken shredder. As you can see, it's a very simple design. So it actually locks if you really want to lock it. Super nice. The inside has these little metal prongs, and then some of them are actually plastic, but the metal is what really, I think, gets it shredding. So on the bottom here, as you can see, it's got this little plate on the inside that you can pop off. This is meant to make it easy to clean. It also makes it easy to pop all of the food out once you're done shredding it. So let's say you shred a whole bunch of chicken. You just pop this out right here, and you got all of your shredded chicken. You just pour that into the bowl or whatever else that you needed to put that on. It's not fully necessary. You can run it without that bowl, but it is super helpful. As you can see, also, the sides right here, these actually spin, which make it super easy, because when you decide to actually twist, look at that. Such a simple design. It's like a gigantic grinder. So I totally think that this is good for shredding chicken, shredding beef, anything that you think needs to be shredded. On the bottom, it's got these little grippers so that you don't have to worry about the device moving whenever you are shredding. And I like that it is very easy to pop apart and throw into the wash machine. It also comes with this brush, which, you know, if you need to clean anything off of this, totally worth it. Overall, such a great design. I like that it is lockable so that you can keep it all together. You don't have to worry about losing anything. I like that it is simple to use, and I like that these handle pieces actually like to spin whenever you're spinning. So it just makes it super simple. You don't even have to like think. So do I recommend it? Absolutely. It's a very simple design. It's inexpensive. It's got these good metal prongs. Unfortunately, these bottom ones are plastic, but they feel very high quality. And with the addition of the metal ones up here, I don't think you have anything to worry about in terms of breaking. So I do recommend this.